Hi, so welcome to my first game devlog, where I just want to talk about the game I've been working on for the past a few weeks. And what I've gotten done so far is a main menu, a pause menu, a little battle scene, and like an end screen game scene and stuff. I got like a model textured and animated and everything as well. I also have a kind of half of a model worked out, but not fully done. And for right now, the game is just going to be kind of called Fossil Battler as of right now, because I don't really know anything else about how to name it at the moment. But, I mean, it's kind of based off of like Fossil Fighters, or like the Dinosaur King genre, or like how Pokemon plays and stuff like that. Mainly more of like how Pokemon Coliseum plays, rather, as I really like that battle system. I think it's really interesting and cool. I just like the whole 3D dimensions and stuff and how that has it and stuff. I just thought like a dinosaur in that type of sphere would be super cool. And yeah, let's just go through the scenes. So we got the Fossil Battler scene here, main menu. The JPEG right here behind the background is kind of cool. I'm gonna change that. It doesn't look that great to me, but I was thinking about maybe putting like a animated background or some kind, like maybe some like dinosaurs or something. Options here doesn't work right now. It just says, like, it'll just say options press down there, exit button. That fully is functional. You just basically tell it to quit. We go to start the game. We then are prompted to this screen where we have the two dinosaurs here. Irritator, enemy irritator, and then player irritator. We got attack buttons here. Got a little animation to stuff going on there. The player irritator has a couple different animations. The enemy irritator has those animations, but they're not like properly aligned with like the battling and stuff as of right now. But those are all in the works, and I'm just gonna keep working to the goal. Because right now, I just want this to get the battle scene here worked and fleshed out to a degree where it's like, I think, a pretty good thing, where it's got sound, it's got animations, and like just everything like working properly, like a good little like scene and everything. Because right now it's like there kind of, but it needs a lot more work. It also got a little screen there, it says victory and stuff. Then it says back to the game. I want to change this probably soon, because the lighting here is terrible compared to the previous scene. This is not that good, and it's like, yeah, I don't know. It's this is actually the old idle animation, and I think it's kind of a lot worse. But yeah, we go there. If we go here, we got the back to the game thing, and it's just playing, it's just going. Got this thing here, and we also got like a tween where it just goes in between, back and forth with the camera. And then here, if we go here, we go animation tree. We have an animation animation node state machine. Sorry, but yeah, we got that. We got the idle. We got block. We got damage taken. We need to properly have that inputted so that it kind of shows. We got the headbutt. We got death animation, but that needs a lot of work, because that's kind of rough, but something. This is the very basic attack that it has. If we go to the enemy one, it's got the idle, damage taken. It's got like very similar. Just some of them aren't like working properly. Need to like code them better. And yeah, we got that. But yeah, it's pretty good work in progress, I'd say. Hopefully in a week I can have it so that like the battle scene is more fleshed out. Maybe there's like a couple more like individual screens asking like, hey, what kind of battle do you want? What kind of dinosaurs do you want to use? More dinosaurs, more this, more that. Just more stuff to the game. Yeah, we got the battle manager here, where it's just essentially just a script that's referring to the battle HUD, which is controlling everything, and it's just managing how the battle is happening. For this stuff though, like the battle HUD manager and the battle HUD stuff, I actually found a lot of really helpful resources, and I found like a really helpful resource online that kind of like explained and had like some good references on how to do like a 3D battle scene, kind of like similar to, I guess, Pokemon or something like that. And I used that as a lot of the references to make this like functional. So that was really helpful. I can leave a link to the project and like the GitHub of that I used as like a reference and like used to like understand how to go about making something like this. Because I kind of just followed along for the most part, because I kind of didn't really have a full grasp of an idea how to do it. So yeah, if anybody else wants to like learn how to do that, I could drop that in the comments or like a video pinned comment or something, and then you guys can all take a look at it, because it's a really helpful free resource. And yeah, that's also why I like Godot, because everything is like a really helpful community, and it's just super interesting. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I can change this thing here, or the AI type. Where the AI type goes from like defensive as opposed to aggressive. So I think now it should like be more defensive. I'm not sure how that works. Doesn't seem like it. I mean, I don't see it doing... Yeah, I guess it doesn't really work right now. But it has like a couple different like stuff where it should technically work. But I guess I gotta fix that. No worries though. There's a lot of work to do, a lot of cool stuff to implement and add. But here we go. Yeah, here's this other dinosaur model that I'm working on. I got a thing where it's like Blender is like integrated with Godot. There's like some settings I could show you how to do that if anybody's interested. But it's pretty simple and it's pretty helpful too, because it's like grabbing the Blender file path and then you're basically just like constantly updating this thing. As like, if you do some changes here, it gets updated into Godot as like this one, or this one right now, the Irritator model. I've been updating it a lot with animations, and it just imports it, just drag it, it just like gets it all the information and everything, which is great. I think I'm gonna probably try to work on some animations where it's like elemental animations, because I feel like that'd be really cool to try to do as well. Because who doesn't want to have like some sort of elemental dinosaur shooting some big ass like hydro cannon, like hydro pump type of thing, like from Pokemon, like Gyarados type of stuff. That'd be super cool. But yeah, it's essentially what I have for right now. I think it's kind of a good step in the direction I want to go. If anybody's interested in like seeing more of this type of content and just wanted to see more updates about this game, or have any sort of suggestions on the path I should try to like go for and how I should go about making this stuff, just leave a comment, and it's very appreciated, because I'm always like just looking to like see how to improve and get better at being a game developer and stuff like that, you know. I'm just really interested in this. It's really like a really fun passion project at the moment. It'll also be it'd be cool to have something similar to Fossil Fighters in like the sphere now, because I don't think there's any games right now that are like that, and I kind of want to just try to make something similar to that, because I have a very strong fondness for that game. And if you guys liked what you saw, then I'll catch you guys in the next devlog. See you guys later, and take care.